Good morning, everyone. We are actually going to look at a house today. We've been looking into moving. I know it's a surprise, but we would like more land, and this area is gorgeous and it has land. So we're gonna go look at a house. Let me know what you think. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Zayo.
Good morning.
Good. You want to get out? Okay, let's go. Come on. Good morning. Daddy's already out of the car. Let's go. Let's go look at this house. Okay, what are we doing right now?
Looking at houses. I'm so excited.
We're gonna go look at houses. Look how beautiful this area is. Simple homes, modern, gorgeous. Okay, let's go look at this one. I gotta catch up. They're already all the way over there. Look how beautiful this house is. I really want to find something that's just kind of like slightly off the grid, no HOA. So cool. Hi, babe. You have to take your shoes off. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful this is. Are you kidding me?
We're in water.
Are you kidding me?
We're in water.
Oh my goodness.
We're in water.
Wow, Zayo.
I want to see.
Okay, go. Over here. Over here, look. Oh my goodness. How much is this one, babe? Hey, be careful. Okay, come on. Off. This is so cool, this built-in.
Oh, this is awesome. Yeah, I could, you could literally just say maybe. No, there's a canal.
This is gorgeous. Are you kidding me? I love that there's no back neighbors.
Oh.
It's like a little creek in here.
Look, there's two seats too.
Do you like this room, Bea?
This room is big.
I said this would be my room. And then this would be my room.
But look, Gigi can be over here because you guys could share this bathroom.
No, thank you.
I want to be in my bed.
Hold on, guys. Oh, okay, you going down there in the basement already? Oh my goodness.
I like this house so much.
Oh my gosh, this is huge.
Oh, there's more rooms, Mom. Oh my god.
Oh my.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
This, I love the floors. Oh my goodness.
This is mine, actually.
I don't know. It's like an atrium.
Can I show you, please?
1 second, okay?
Are they making this a closet?
I think so.
This is just like a storage area. Tazeo, get down. Wow, this is a huge room. Look at this.
Living in this house would be a dream.
Look how cool this is. This is just the basement. And there's 2 bedrooms in the basement. Another bedroom. Another bedroom in here. A bathroom. This is just the basement. This bar area. So fun. These are so cool. A way to get natural light in.
This room would be mine.
I don't know. Let's go look at this is like ultimate party room right here.
I love this so much. Oh my goodness, that light.
These are just so cool.
Tic-tac-toe.
You
Mom. This would be Ace's room. No, look at
Yeah.
Me and Lily's room.
This is so cool.
I love this house.
This house is cool, Zayo. I can't forget this. Look at the slide. Babe, look at the slide. They give these cute little snacks. What do you guys think about that house?
That's my house. I love it. I want it. Yeah, I want it.
Yeah. It's a little out of our budget. Can you get away from the street, please? Did you just come here for the snacks? You're here for the snacks?
The shoes.
Yeah, I got it. Daddy got your shoes. Are you gonna spray me? Oh! We look so cute in that tank top. You're so cute. Gonna get me! Gonna get me! No! So clearly that house was absolutely gorgeous. Is it for us? Time will tell. We are not sure. I loved the top. It's not called the basement. What's it called? The attic play area. I think that would be a really good play gaming area, maybe school work, homeschool area for the kids. But the layout is kind of weird. Like there's 3 bedrooms downstairs in the basement, which is absolutely amazing. And the second level only has 3 rooms. So I don't know. I don't like the idea of being separated from my kids. Well, half of them, no matter how old they are. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Anyways, the search is going to continue for that. We have been wanting to get a new puppy for quite some time now. We want to add a little one to our family. And yeah, we have 6 kids and 1 dog. And there's just too much love to go around. And I think if we had another one, our family would feel a little bit more complete. And they're always fighting over who can sleep with Kaya, so I thought it would be a good idea to add a new little one to our family. Not too small, not too big, and enough where we can still bring them in the car and have them in the trailer with us when we go on our adventures. But I thought I would just share the new baby with you now, because you're going to see in the vlogs in the next week, the baby's going to be in it with us, because we bring all of our babies with us everywhere. So I wanted to introduce him to you. Come here. This is our new baby. This is our new baby. He's so chunky. Come here, Chunky. He is a French bulldog. It is a boy. And we were trying to think of a name for him for a really long time. First, it was going to be Poppy, because I don't know, that's cute. It was going to be Cabo, which I still love that name so much. And then we settled on, come here. Tell our friends your puppy's name.
My name is Rubble. My name is Rubble.
What'd you say?
Rubble.
Rubble. Our new puppy's name is Rubble.
I need a puppy or Rubble.
Yeah, and why did you name him Rubble?
I name is Rubble when he spells Rubble.
Yeah, but why did you name him Rubble?
His name is Rubble Jaw.
Why? Because of Paw Patrol.
Rubble.
Yeah, Rubble on
And double.
on the double. So yeah, that's our new baby's name. Rubble, Rubble, Rubble. I'll share with you guys some of the clips. When we first got him, he was actually a surprise to my older son, but he is the entire family's dog. But he was at a football thingamajigger when we went out to go look at houses and to pick him up. So we got to surprise him. And he's so precious. And he's such a lover. He just snorts and kisses and rolls around and plays all day. He is just he's so cute, and we love him so much. Oh God, I wish you guys could just feel him. He's so chunky. But we're gonna surprise my son. So, help your dad with the groceries real quick.
Yeah, really. Hey, do you want to name him Stick? Yes, well. He's going in trouble.
Yeah, what?
Oh, he's going in trouble.
No, doggy can't go in trampoline.
Well,
No, he can't.
well,
Look.
wait, his name should be Blue. Yes.
You're looking inside my nose.
Ew. Don't let him look inside your nose. You like my pants?
You go.
He likes my pants. Oh, that's the. Oh, he's kissing. You love kisses. Oh, he loves kisses. He loves giving kisses. places. Guys, give him space. He needs to get warm. You love he's drinking. He is so cute. He must be very thirsty. Wow. Yeah. Where's Kaya?
Did he drink some water?
Yeah. And he drank a bunch of water. He drank the whole thing.
Did you guys give him some food?
Yeah. But
I think he
it
needs
was
some
literally
food.
to here. Yeah, he got some food.
Hugo.
I like
Hugo.
Is he giving you kisses, Giselle?
Giselle, say Hugo. Say Hugo.
He's
No, I do it. Hugo.
His name should be Hugo.
Say Hugo.
Oh my goodness. Mom, give him.
Hugo, look. Hugo, look. Hugo.
Look.
Hugo.
Oh, wait. Hugo is actually. Oh.
Hugo, ready?
I like
Go
Hugo.
get it. Go get it.
He didn't even see the ball, Ace.
Because his eyes are so low. Hugo.
Come on, you need to play fetch. Look. Ready? Look. Ready? Yeah.
Do it.
Go. Can you get the ball again? Oh, I think it's because he only has this.
How about this one?
Ready? Look. I only saw his points.
He likes it, Didi.
Yeah, he likes everybody. Go. Help me.
Rebel. Come here.
Here, I know how to do it. Come on. Yeah, that's a good boy.
You're a fat boy. You're just a fat boy.
He is so cute.
This is Rebel. Say hi, Rebel. Say hi, Rebel. All right, guys. I will see you in the next one. We've got lots of family adventure vlogs coming up of our spring break family trip. See you next one.